Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this new video. Guys, today I'm going to explain you about Primal Collagen reviews. Friends, watch this video till end because in this video you'll get to know about the pros of Primal Collagen supplement. It is a gluten-free supplement that enhances good skin, bones, liver, nails, joint and overall health, guys. It is a relatively popular product in the United States, and with the help of this product, you can improve your overall health, which is an amazing thing. Now guys, let's talk about the pros of Primal Collagen. So you can see it is sourced from grass-fed beef and packed with amino acids. It is gluten-free, it promotes healthy and glowing skin. It means that it increases skin elasticity, minimize fine lines, wrinkles and boost hydration. Apart from that guys, this amazing supplement promotes vibrant skin health for a youthful, glowing complexion. And it is known for supporting liver health, proper digestion and a healthy gut barrier. Apart from that, it is specifically formulated with Solugel technology, which means you can mix it with your favorite drinks quickly, efficiently. And guys, it helps in alleviating joint stiffness and discomfort. Guys, the amino acids which are present in collagen supports essential proteins which helps in boosting hair and nail growth, thickness and strength. So these are the pros of this amazing Primal Collagen supplement, which is a beneficial supplement for overall health. So you can see, you can watch the ingredients of this collagen. It is made of with 9 essential amino acids which speeds up your body recovery. Now guys, after exploring the features of Primal Collagen, it is clear that there is nothing like Primal Collagen. And talking about Primal Collagen reviews, we have found mixed reviews, or you can say we have found positive reviews about this product on the official website. Here are some positive testimonials that you can read for your knowledge. You can also watch the videos of verified customers. And one of the customers said, so glad I have done my research and found the best collagen for me. My overall well-being has improved and I'm telling my friends and family about it. Thank you, Primal Harvest. So guys, this was the positive comment by a verified user or customer, which is an amazing thing. And apart from that, if you want to purchase this Primal Collagen, then you need to visit the official website, which is www.primalharvest.com. Guys, apart from that, you can see the company is providing 100% refund policy and 90-day money back guarantee. Guys, yes, if you are not satisfied with your purchase, then you can send it back for a refund anytime. Here you can see about the 90-day money back guarantee, and you can make the payment via online mode including PayPal. And you can also purchase the packages of this Primal Collagen pack, guys. It will cost around $36.95 each. And if you'll purchase 6 packs, then it will cost around $29.95. You can save 28% on this package. And if you'll purchase 3 bags, then it will cost around $32.95. It means you can save 21% on savings and free same-day shipping. So this is the amazing benefits or discounts that you can grab. And apart from that, guys, you can visit or you can find the official website's link in the description given below. If you buy Primal Collagen through this link, then you can get huge massive offers. So guys, get this amazing Primal Collagen supplement today. I hope you enjoyed this Primal Collagen review, and thanks for giving your precious time, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.